So another little quick tutorial on potential fix. So we got a microwave here that the latch broke, so we're going to do a quick fix on that. The spring most likely is the problem here, so I found. So what we got to do to fix that problem so that we don't have to mess with that, we got to take this plastic shroud off carefully with a flathead screwdriver or butter knife, whatever you have, just to get in between here and gently take the plastic off. So I'm going to do that real quick and then we'll be right back. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this flathead, I'm going to go around and slowly break these tabs off. Just go all the way around. Get in there. Just work your way all the way around. Alright, let's try. Showcase this. Just going around again. Slowly taking this back. And then we got our shroud taken off. We're going to set that aside. Just going to put it on top of the microwave. Alright, so the reason why we took this off, as you can see, spring is held there. And these two prongs are held on to the door. There's a hole right there for it, and there's a hole right there for it. Now the thing that broke is a little tab back there. And I can't find it, but it's no worries, because what we're going to do is just put the spring on the metal framework and get that tension back on so that the door will close. Alright, so carefully here, I'm just going to put the spring with the round part onto that little clip that you see right there, and then I'm going to find a part close to the area that it was originally clipped on. I'm just going to put that spring right there, and now carefully I'm going to lift it up and get it back into the holes that it was supposed to be in. So just like that. And now we have tension, we have our spring back on. So we'll see after the shroud gets put back if that's our fix. Putting it back on is pretty simple. You just go around, match up your clips. Everything just snaps back into place. And final result, we have a fixed microwave. So now you know. I hope that helps. So you don't have to change out any parts, and you don't have to do any major fixing. Just quick, less than 5 minutes to do it.